Hello, we are about a week and a half into the Page County Adventures in Schoology. And while most of it's gone very smoothly, I know that there have been some bumps in the road and there are some things we need to improve. We've been listening carefully to parents, to teachers, and to students about what things are difficult and what things are going well. And we have made some changes. So we are implementing some changes over the next couple of weeks. You will start to see these changes soon, and by the next few weeks, they should be pretty solidly in place. First, if you're in a class that has more than one type of learner, so you have some people who are full remote and some people who are blended learners, maybe even some A day and some B day, then I expect to see different folders for each type. So if the class only has one type of learner, you'll just not see these folders at all. But if there are different types of learners, there'll be different folders. That will clarify what material applies to whom. Next, inside the folders, we're asked that teachers put a week worth of material in one folder and have that labeled by the date. This makes it very clear what week we're referring to. So if it said Unit 3, you might not know when Unit 3 is supposed to happen. But in this case, I know this folder is for October 5th through October 9th, plain and simple. Inside those folders, we ask for a folder for each day of the week, which has the material for that day. And we want those folders to be labeled with the date again. So I don't wonder which Monday this is. I know exactly which Monday this is. This is Monday, October 5th, and the material in there is what I need to do on Monday, October 5th. Finally, we've asked teachers to make a pacing guide. This is recommended, but it is strongly recommended. It's not required. Here's an example of a pacing guide made by a teacher. It's very simple and straightforward. It says exactly what we want the students to do on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Note that she's been very clear about what she wants. And at the bottom, she's even put in a final, here are all the things that are due this week, to be really clear. Teachers are being asked to get all of these materials together and publish them on Monday of the given week. Sometimes that's going to work out fine. Sometimes the teacher's going to have to make changes midweek. So if the teacher has to make changes, we did say that that is fine. They can make those changes. They just need to announce the changes to the students and give the students at least a week to finish the material. So teachers are responsible for keeping the material up to date, but students are also responsible for logging in every day to make sure they're aware of any changes that are made and to make sure they're keeping up with the material. If everybody works together and everybody shows patience and kindness to each other, I think we can get through this. I ask that you be patient with your teachers, and I ask that teachers be patient with your students. And I think we can all learn and become good at this with some time. Anything new is going to take practice. Have a great day. I'll talk to you again soon.